What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Triplezon. Today we're diving into the best mini home NAS that helps you store, protect, and access your files with ease. If you want your own private cloud at home without dealing with complicated setups, this could be exactly what you need. Let's explore what makes it special. Let's get started. The Origo TS500 Mini Home NAS is designed as a smart and secure private cloud storage solution for home users. It gives you full control over your data while keeping everything in one central place. Instead of spreading files across different devices, you can organize everything neatly inside this compact system. One of the biggest advantages of the Origo TS500 Mini Home NAS is its flexible storage support. It works with both 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch SATA HDDs and SSDs. You can set it up as a 2-bay system with up to 40 terabytes of storage, or expand it to a 5-bay setup that supports up to 100 terabytes. That is a massive amount of space. It means you can store large video files, high-resolution photos, work documents, and backups without worrying about running out of room. Speed is also important when it comes to network storage. The Origo TS500 Mini Home NAS includes a gigabit wired network port that delivers LAN transfer speeds up to 120 megabytes per second. This allows smooth file transfers and quick access across multiple connected devices. You will not feel stuck waiting for large files to move from one place to another. Remote access is another strong point. With external network support, you can securely access your files from anywhere. Multiple devices can connect at the same time, making file sharing simple and convenient. To keep your data safe, the Origo TS500 Mini Home NAS uses its exclusive SDVN virtual secure network. This encrypted transmission protects your personal data and reduces the risk of unauthorized access or online threats. Heat control has also been carefully designed. The system uses dual high-speed fans that operate with low noise. Combined with the hollow back design, this improves airflow and keeps the device stable even during heavy use. You get reliable performance without loud distractions. For those who store lots of photos, the automatic backup feature is very useful. It saves high-resolution images without compressing them, so you keep full quality while freeing up space on your phone. No more deleting memories just to clear storage. If you enjoy movies and media content, the Origo TS500 Mini Home NAS can centralize your entire collection. Instead of searching through different phones or tablets, you can stream your stored movies directly from your private cloud to multiple devices. Everything stays organized and easy to access. Big storage, strong security, and smooth performance all in one small box. Check the price link in the description and see if this fits your home setup. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Triplezon for more smart tech content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.